Yes. Yeah, thank you, Arya. A very good morning. First of all, just see whether am I audible. That's very important. You can type because this is a webinar and yeah, thank you, Arya. Thank you. Aditya, thank you very much. Yeah. So, okay, it's 7:30, I think. Yeah, on 7:30, we'll start with our webinar. First of all, congratulations to you all as you have passed your, whether you are from SSC board or ICSE board, you have cleared your SSC exams, ICSE exams. So that's why once again, congratulations to you all. And very important thing, that is what you all are seeking admission in good colleges. And yeah, okay, so the thing is, everyone is going to seek for whether it is ICSE and again SSC. So the CET exam, and for that we are taking this webinar. Now all of you know how how marks are distributed. This 100 marks exam will be conducted. 25 marks English, then 25 marks social studies, 25 marks science, and 25 marks mathematics. So altogether, this exam will be of 100 marks and 2 hours. In that 100 questions you have to solve. So if it comes out to be, it comes to be 120 minutes you will be having to solve 100 questions. Okay. So what I can say that 25 marks, if you see of mathematics, again in that algebra and geometry you will be having. So 25 marks algebra and geometry, so perhaps it will happen. Perhaps I'm saying so 13 marks maybe geometry might be asked and 12 marks algebra or vice versa. It may happen. So if we consider 13 marks for geometry, we have 5 topics. So again approximately 5 3s are 15. So on each topic there will be approximately 3 questions, 2 or 3 questions will be asked. So the today topic what I'm going to take, that's a trigonometry. And in trigonometry, of course, it's a small topic. It's not something huge and very basic level of it. Whether any of the subjects, science, math, like math, very basic level examples will be asked. Concept based, you can say, because you cannot be asked answer in brief or in science or history or in mathematics, right? Theorems, their proofs or big sums. Very basic conceptual examples will be taken, and that's why in this topic trigonometry, even today I'll be what doing? I'll be revising all the concepts of trigonometry right from the beginning. That is ninth standard. Very simple concept. What are the formulas? Complementary angles, then measures of angles, and then identities. So how they can be used. So these trigonometric ratios, how they can be used as formulas, and you can quickly solve the examples. So today's 1.5 hour, just I have planned it like first 45 to 15 minutes. I'll go through the theory. It may be extended to 1 hour. Let's see how it goes. But target is of 45 minutes. I'll be clearing the theory part. That is all formulas, and then I have certain questions. So that MCQ questions, that sheet is been given to you. Okay, so that sheet has been given to you. 1 second. Huh? So the sheet is being given to you, and if from that some examples I'll be taking, and few of I'm having. So we will go on writing some of the example I'll write, and we will discuss. So okay, and at the end, perhaps again I'll talk about the exam 5-10 minutes if it permits. Okay, so instead of wasting much time, let us start. Example like theory I'll start first. So trigonometry, as you all know, that word itself says that trigonometry. Tri means three sides, gono. Tri means three, gono means sides, and metry means measurement. So using the length of the side, we are finding here theta. So in that way, so that relation we will be finding, and there are altogether 6 trigonometric ratios that we will be learning. In SSC board, 9th standard students first studied 3 basic ratios, sine, cos, and tan, and in 10th standard 3 more additional, that is cosec, sec, and cot. So let's see what exactly this this trigonometric ratios are used for all types of triangle, but in this 10th standard, what you will be learning for right angle triangle only. So if we consider a right angle triangle A, B, C, where angle B is a right angle, and if we consider any theta as an acute angle, then with respect to this theta, what will be the trigonometric ratio? So let's start. First basic trigonometric ratio, that is we call it as sine theta. I'll go on writing all this first, then cos theta and tan theta. So these are the 3, we can say, basic trigonometric ratios. So you have to understand them as formulas rather else. So student, when I have to find sine theta or sine, that is sin theta, some of them pronounce it. So sine theta, so I have to focus on the angle theta. So with respect to theta, what is sine theta? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. So opposite side. So abbreviation I'm writing. O means opposite side. S means side. So opposite side upon hypotenuse. HYP, that is hypotenuse. So sine theta, if I look at my triangle, what I have been given. So if I want to find sine of this theta, I will look for theta and opposite side of theta. So opposite side of theta is which one? AB. So AB upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what? Very simple. You all know. Still, I'll say that the side opposite to 90° in right angle triangle is called as hypotenuse. So AC is a hypotenuse. So AB upon AC. Now, what type of question they may ask you over here? So they may not ask directly the question. They will say find sine theta, sine of the given angle, or instead of saying sine theta, they might name the angle C. So if they say suppose find sine C, so don't get confused. What sine C? So of course C is actually theta, so sine C will remain same, opposite side upon hypotenuse. So basic formula is what? Whenever it is a sine function, it means what? Trigonometric function, it will be opposite side upon hypotenuse. That is, you have to keep in mind. Next one is cos theta. So cos theta, of course, it will be adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So adjacent side, of course, I'll look for my theta and I look which is my adjacent side. Remember student, Whenever we are looking opposite and adjacent side, of course we are going to exclude hypotenuse because it's the side is opposite to 90 degrees. So that is altogether different. So out of these three sides, always you will be having these two sides. One of them will be opposite or adjacent. So adjacent side of this, it will be BC. So BC upon hypotenuse, that will be AC. Okay, next one, tan theta. So tan theta is what? Again, it's very simple. Opposite side upon adjacent side. So which is the opposite side? Again, it's simple. AB upon BC. So these are the three basic formulas: sine, cos, and tan. What we have studied. Already you have studied, just I have revised. Now, if you remember certain relation between sine and there are that is cosec, if you that is cos and sec, tan and cot. If you remember the relation, then it's become very easy to remember all these six formulas. So what relation they have? Cosec is reciprocal of sine theta. So here cosec theta. So again, I'll write formulas first, then sec theta and cot theta. So sec cosec theta. So student, cosec and say the sine, they are reciprocals as I said. So reciprocal. So they are reciprocals of each other. It means what? Simple. Sine theta is the opposite side upon hypotenuse. So cosec theta, it will be hypotenuse upon opposite side. So simple. Just reciprocate that. So what will be your answer? Of course, AB upon AC, it will become AC upon AB. So just remember the relation, sine and cosec. This is very important. To solve the examples, you have to remember this. This I can assure you that based on this type, this relation, they may ask you the example. So you need to know them as formulas. Cos and sec. So cos and sec, of course, it will be, they are reciprocal. So cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So sec theta will be hypotenuse upon adjacent side. So this answer, of course, it will get reciprocated and you will be having AC upon BC. And same is for cot theta. Tan and cot, they are again reciprocals of each other, and therefore you will have tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. So cot theta will be adjacent side upon opposite side. And adjacent side is which one? BC upon A. So in this way, we have these six basic ratios in trigonometry. If you remember then so based on that, you will be asked certain question. Maybe a little difficulty level might be or that type of question might be, but difficulty level will be very easy. 1 mark la kai vichar sakte, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं पूछ सकते उसमें difficulty. So remember this six basic formula. To remember these formulas, I use generally one word. You might have heard that. That is that word. Generally, it has been used by me. Osha Chota. Now this word is very funny. Osha Chota. So what exactly, sir? It is Osha Chota. So see here, S stands for sine theta. So see here, observe carefully. Alternate words. Hypotenuse. It will be opposite side upon. O means opposite side. H means hypotenuse. So opposite side upon hypotenuse. C means cos theta. So I'll just write things smaller. Sine theta. This is cos theta. So cos theta means adjacent side upon hypotenuse. That is the formula. And T means tan theta. So it will be what? Opposite side upon adjacent side. So see, you can easily remember sine, cos. So sine, cos, and tan. These three formulas you can easily remember by remembering one word. Now you'll say, sir, but then what about these three formulas? Can we remember that also? Yes, very simple. Go in a reverse order. So tan, it's It's what? It is reciprocal. Cot is reciprocal of tan. So just go in a reverse order. Adjacent side upon opposite side. That will be cot. Hypotenuse upon adjacent side. That will be sec. Hypotenuse upon opposite side. That will be cosec. So see all this. So by remembering this one word, you remember all these 6 ratios. So that's too easy. Once again, I'll just take a screenshot if it's possible. Okay, so I hope this 6 formulas you have understood properly, so I can proceed. Any one of you can say yes, sir. Yes. Okay, thank you. One second, I'll take a screenshot. Recording although it is going on, so I'll take some screenshot. Okay, so let me clear. Now I'll move to the next concept. So this sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, you have understood. There are 2 more formulas which also are useful. I'll explain those. Yeah. So after these 6 formulas, you will be having directly one formula, that is tan theta. I'll just write little bigger so you can see. Those are operating from mobile. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, remember this. Now this formula also can be modified in 2 ways. Means for example, I have been asked tan theta, then directly I'll use sin whatever sin theta value and cos theta value. But suppose I have been asked sin theta and I have been given cos theta and tan theta. So instead of substituting directly, also I can use. That's not a compulsion as such, but you can use. For example, if I take cos theta on left hand side, so it will become tan theta into cos theta. That directly gives me sin theta. So other way, tan theta into cos theta is sin theta. So that's something I know quickly. The reason is why to remember the in 1 minute, that is what we have approximately said. So at the end, I'll talk about that 21. That's why I stopped there. Let me have a content. At the end, we will talk about that how we can plan it out 120 minutes for that question. So tan theta into cos theta. Or if you say, sir, this is one way, what we can have. What if I would have been asked to find cos theta? Then what? Also, I can say, so cos theta if I have been asked to find. So cos theta, so just tan theta, it will be in the numerator, which will go in denominator. So I will have sin theta upon tan theta. So if I know sin theta and tan theta, cos theta, I can directly find it. Or if you feel that, sir, it's becoming complicated, no issues. You take this original formula, put the values, and apply your basic mathematics. So this is something what other than that what 6 formulas. This way, this is the relation what you can say. That type of example, based on that examples also can be asked. Now similarly, now you have said tan theta. So of course we have to go for cot theta. So cot theta it will be how? So it's simple now. It's actually go in a similar way for tan theta. Cot theta will be cos theta upon sin theta. So student here, if you know one formula, then remembering other is with the help of relation. If you remember that tan theta and cot theta, they have some relation. So it's simple. Cot is a reciprocal of tan. So if you remember tan theta's formula, you don't have to buy at cot theta. It's very simple. You come to know a cos theta upon sin theta. It's that you know. So remember the relation. So similarly, you can have here. So if you want to find cos theta, so it will be cot theta into sin theta will be equal to cos theta. That you can have its modified form. Also, you can have sin theta is equals to cos theta upon cot theta. So this one formula again you can be modify and you can have. Okay, so you don't have to mug up all these 3 formula. Remember only one, tan theta and cot theta. Rest of this you can easily utilize whenever it is required as per the sums requirement. Yeah, once again the same question, student. Any doubt in this? If understood, please say yes. Please just type yes. I can hear can't hear you actually. Okay. Thank you, Shubham. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So I'll just take a screenshot of it, and then I'll, yeah, thank you. I know that I'll just try to cover theory as soon as possible. So we will solve more examples because it's a morning time and you are habituated to this morning time. So if we start solving examples, then you will find it easy and you will be more activated. Okay. So I'll erase this. I will go to the next. So after tan cos sec, so as we have talked about, there are relations. So relations between trigonometric ratios. Relations between trigonometric ratios. Let us see. So as I was continuously saying, sine and cosec, they have a relation. So what exactly? So just we will have three. I'll divide this into three parts. That third one, it will be too small. Let us go one by one. छोटा वही है. Okay. So sine theta into cosec theta is always equals to 1. Remember this. Sine theta into cosec theta is always equals to 1. So this is your one formula. Actually, if you remember this, the next which two I'm writing, that you can easily remember. What's that? Simple. Sine theta. So sine theta. So if I take cosec theta on right hand side, it will become 1 upon cosec theta. So this is what my formula. So sine theta and cosec theta, what relation they have? So sine theta is equals to 1 upon cosec theta. So you might be given, no? You have also must have seen in school exams or Wakad's exam. You must have come across this. Yes, the value of cosec theta was given and question was asked, what's the value of sine theta? Very simple basic question. Or for MCQs, you might have been a sine theta into cosec theta is dash and 1, 2, 3, 4 options were given. So what it is, 1 half whatever, some values will be given. So then this becomes useful. Sine theta also the same thing. Instead of taking a cosec theta on right hand side, I can take sine theta and then it will become cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta. So this is other way relation we can use to solve the examples. Now this was first, then second, as I have talked about sine and cosec, then what it will be? Sec and cos. That is cos and sec. So let's see. So cos theta into sec theta is equals to 1. So cos theta into sec theta is equals to 1. So this again I can write, therefore simply if I take sec theta on right hand side, then what I'll have? I will be having cos theta is equals to 1 upon sec theta. So again I'll have this relation. Along with that, one more relation I can have as we have done. So what we will be having also, we will have sec theta is equals to 1 upon cos theta. So these are the two, like for identities, we can say not identities, these are the two relations that we have. Sin theta into cosec theta is 1, cos theta into sec theta is 1. And based on that, we have got sin theta is 1 upon cosec theta is equals to 1 upon sin theta, cos theta is 1 upon sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. And now last, that is what we have, again I have said that tan theta into cot theta is equals to 1. So this is the third relation what we'll have. Again, based on that somewhere, fill in the blank somewhere you can have. So you should know this. So therefore, we will have tan theta is equals to, if I take cot theta on left hand side, it will be 1 upon cot theta. So this is 1. And you know that what I'm going to write now, cot theta will be equal to 1 upon tan theta. These all are used directly as formulas to solve the examples. If you know this, then again it will be very easy, which you can use. I'll just revise quickly. Again, sin theta into cosec theta is 1. Therefore, sin theta will be 1 upon cosec theta. Cosec theta will be 1 upon sin theta. Cos theta into sec theta is 1. Therefore, cos theta will be equal to 1 upon sec theta. Also, sec theta will be equal to 1 upon cos theta. Tan theta into cot theta is 1. Therefore, tan theta is equals to 1 upon cot theta. And cot theta is equals to 1 upon tan theta. I'll take again a screenshot. And then I'll clear the board. So these are the 6 relations we have just got. So not 6, 9 rather. 3, 3, 3, 9 relations. Okay. So I hope everyone is clear. One of you can type, so I'll proceed. I'll just confirm it. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Arya. We'll move. So after these 6 relations, we will be moving to a trigonometric table. That value table we will have. Yeah, before that, yes, I want one more thing, that's complementary angle. I must take complementary angle. Again, that concept we won't be asked student, but I hope you know this complementary angles which were there in 9th standard, but we for SSC board. So, but we don't want to take chance. That's why we should be, taking care that you should be aware of everything. It's not since it was in 9th standard, so we will just we will ignore that part. No, based on that, something if it is asked, so we should be ready for that. So we will not give a chance. So complementary angles. So what are complementary angles? So let's see here. So you know this, sin theta is always equal to cos 90 minus theta, and vice versa. It means what? Cos theta is always equals to sin 90 minus theta. So these are 2 formulas. Then cosec theta. Cosec theta will be equal to sec 90 minus theta, and sec theta is equals to cosec 90 minus theta, and tan theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta, and cot theta is equals to tan 90 minus theta. So you will say, sir, what exactly it is? So let us take a simple example. A very simple example, if I ask, see if theta is equal, so we will assume 1 theta is equals to 30 degrees. So orally we will try to find it out. If sin theta is 30, so it will be equal to which angle of cos. So let us check. So just go on putting wherever sin theta. So if I just go on asking, you can type answer. If it is possible, I'll say, and I'll go on saying if few answers. I may not be able to take everyone's name, but still, if suppose first we take sine of 30, so it will be equal to cos of what? 60. Very good. Very good. Surbi and others. Okay. Jitesh. Very good. Very good. Very good, Anish. Okay. So similarly, just proceed. So cos theta is equals to sine of what? 30. Angle we are considering 330. Throughout we will be considering 30. So it will be sine 60. Good. Cosec 30. So cosec 30 will be equal to, it will be equal to sec 60. So you must have got an idea now. Sec 30 when I take, it will be cosec 60. Tan 30, it will be equal to cot of 60. Okay. There is a hand raised for what? I can, 1 second. Let me see. Later on, shall I just discuss whatever, why it is or if anything? Because I just want to go into, I have to unmute 1 moment. Someone it is. 1 second. Raise hand is there. I can see. I have to unmute on this. Achha, who has raised hand? Can you type the question? What query do you have here? Because it's difficult for in this webinar at least. I have to unmute, mute, and that number of students are more. So I'll just proceed. Someone has raised. If it is hand is raised to give the answer in slide, sir, you can unmute in webinar. Yeah. That I'll do, but I have planned it. No, achha, it was no mistake. At the end, I'll unmute and I can do. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. So I just wanted to proceed. So you have understood what type of question for objective it can be asked in this. So there is one more relation that is you are having, and that relation is that way also they ask tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equal to 1. So actually it is what you know, tan theta into cot theta is 1. So but that is somewhere, so tan theta into tan of 90 minus theta is equals to 1. So this way something also may be asked for objective. So sometimes that do not click immediately. What tan theta into tan minus 90 theta? This is not discussed or somewhere what can be. So tan, we have learned that. Okay, tan and cot are reciprocals of each other. And earlier only I have explained tan theta into cot theta is 1. So instead of asking directly tan theta into cot theta is 1, that cot theta it means what? 90 minus theta. So see here, instead of putting tan theta as cot theta, it is been asked tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is what? So that will be 1. Because tan 90 minus theta is actually cot theta. So tan into cot is always 1. So in that way, complementary angle. So that's your complementary angle based. You can be asked various example which is possible. Okay. So if you have understood this complementary angles, then I'll be moving to the table. 1 minute. Every time I'm taking screenshot also, recording also will get. If it's possible, I'll make a PDF and I'll send that in the group. That is what. After this table, that is also important. Well, for certain trigonometric thetas, you have to remember certain values. Okay. So trigonometric table. Trigonometric table, anyway you can sort value table. So what? So I'll have a chart over here and you know this method, but just it is a gap and that's why we are revising. Otherwise, it's not something you don't know. But if you remember this value quickly, in this exam, the thing is what objective type and the time limit is 120. So in that stipulated time, you have to complete this. That's why you have to quick enough. So remember all this on tip of tongue. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 5 formulas. So here we will be having theta and here ratio. Ratio means trigonometric. In short, I'm writing trigonometric ratio. Just in short, trigonometric ratio. So we will have these angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90. And then we will be having our trigonometric functions sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Then we will have one more thing it is required. I need to extend and extend it. It is 6. Yeah. Here we have cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. Okay. So let's start remembering one line and certain relation. You can remember whole table. There are various ways to remember this whole table without mugging up. Only first line you have to remember. So let's start. Let us revise rather. You know that in Vakades all tricks are taught. So nobody will be there that who don't know this table. But still, I'll just revise that. Sine of, let go answers come from. Okay. So table whole Surbi has given the table. Okay, good. So sine of 0 is 0. Sine of 90 is 1. If you know the whole table, then it's fine. Yeah. Sine of 30. What's sine of 30? Its answer is given. So I can't again ask you what, because you can see in the chat box. So sine of 30 is half. Sine of 60 is root 3 upon. And sine of 45 is 1 upon root. So if you know this first line, remembering second line is not a difficult part. Just you can remember that it is in a what? Now there is one way. That is, you write this in a reverse order. So reverse order, it means what? For cos. Cos 90. So I'll start writing this 1. Then root 3 upon 2. Then 1 upon root 2 as it is, because this do not changes space. Then half. And then 0. So my second line is just reverse of sin theta what I had. Now tan theta we have studied. Tan theta is sine upon cos. So take the numerator. So here in first case you don't have to take numerator. Just it is 0 and 1. So 0. So just imagine as if this is the divisor line. So sine upon cos is tan. So 0 upon 1. Of course it will be 0. And now take the numerators. So tan of 30. 1 upon root. So just I am taking numerators. Then 1 upon 1, it will be 1. Numerator of this sin theta root 3 upon 1, it will be root 3. And then 1 upon 0. What it will come? 1 upon 0. What it will come? One upon 0. No, Surbi, 1 upon 0 will not be. Yes, undefined. Yes, correct. Correct, Tanvi. Tanvi, Tanishka, what answers you have given? Not defined. Your numerator, you cannot have 0. A denominator, you cannot have 0. Okay, 1 upon 0 is meaningless, not defined. So it should come here, not defined. It cannot be defined. Okay. And once you know this, again, I'll say, once you know this, first three basic trigonometric functions, their values, then if you know the relation, just go on doing reciprocal and you get the next 3 rows. So what exactly? Sine 0. So cosec will be what? 1 upon sine. So if it is 1 upon sine, cosec is what? 1 upon sine. So therefore, student, whatever is the value of sine, I'll take in the denominator. So 1 upon 0. because sine of 0 is 0. So 1 upon 0, it will be not defined. Cosec theta is 1 upon sine theta, so not defined. Second value, I have to just reciprocate. 1 upon 2 will become 2 upon 1. So I need not write 2 upon 1, it will be 2. 1 upon root 2, that will be root 2. Root 3 upon 2, it will be 2 upon root 3. Just I'm reciprocating. 1 upon nothing is there means 1. So it will remain 1 only. So it is going to be 1. Sec theta again same. So 1 upon cos. Cos is 1. So cos is 1. Therefore 1 upon 1 it will become 1 now. Sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. So cos theta is 1. So therefore it will be 1. And then next stage it is very simple. Again, just you have to reciprocate. So it will be root 3 upon it will be 2 upon root 3. Then root 2, 1 upon root 2 will be root 2, 1 upon 2 will be 2. And now here it is 1 upon 0. So it will become not defined. Okay. And the last row, cot theta is reciprocal of tan. So cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. It might be too small. On laptop you may be able to see, mobile or color this but don't, no problem. Just relations we know, just for reference I am writing that. Cot theta is 1 upon tan. So whatever value, 1 upon 0, it means not defined. Now reciprocate all the values. 1 upon root 3 will be root 3. 1 upon 1 will remain 1. Root 3 upon 1. What it will come? What should come? Cot 60. What will be the value of cot 60? Anyone can type in the chat box. It will be 1 upon root 3. Just reciprocate. Reciprocate. So tan theta is root 3. It means it is root 3 upon 1. So if you reciprocate it, it will be 1 upon root 3. And root this not defined. So what should be this? Tan a cot of 90. Cot of 90, 0. Very good, Tanishka. Okay, so it will be 0. And the reason 0 was the reason. It's very simple. The reason is because not defined, it means it is 1 upon 0. So if you reciprocate 1 upon 0, it will become 0 upon 1. And 0 upon 1, its value is 0. So in this way, just remembering one line, you can remember all this. So I don't know exactly how much time that is, whether in board exam generally 15 minutes always they give the answer sheet or some work. Okay, yeah. So what generally they do, they give some time. So what it will be a suggestion to you all. If suppose time is given and if rough papers are allowed for calculation, earlier you can note down the formulas with pencil on somewhere to remember, because I know that there is a lot of stress, you are confused, and in quick time you have to answer the example. So therefore it's better somewhere you can roughly on the blank paper you can have those formula if they permit. They generally allow that in board exam, SSC board exam, they used to do that. Like, okay, on back of the answer sheet you can always write whatever, recall the formulas and you can keep it ready. So during exam, because of you are stressed out, so you can recall then and okay, yeah, yes, this is the formula. So it's not something you don't know, but due to the stress of exam, sometimes you find yourself very blank. So at that time, this thing becomes useful. Okay, so that's that. So this is you have understood, as you have said. I'll take a screenshot of this. Okay, so you have understood. So trigonometric table. Then I'll move to the identities. So we are going as per a plan. 15 minutes more and then we'll start with the examples. Not even 15 minutes, it will take 10 minutes. So this theory is important. See, the questions may be asked 2 or 3, not more than that. But if it is conceptual, you should not miss out that. So that's why every point has to be touched. Okay, yeah. So next is identities. So I'll start with the identities. I'll increase the font. I think थोड़ी छोटा है. I'll write. So first one, sine square theta plus cos square theta is always equals to 1. So this is our basic identity, but sometimes you can know in the different way they have asked. So for that, you should use this 3 modified form also. So for example, if I take cos square theta on right hand side, then so therefore sine square theta will be equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So this is my modified, or what you can say extended, or we can have a modified form from this identity. So this also can be, so sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So this way formula can be used. Also, we can have, now if I instead of sine cos square theta I would have shifted, if I shift sine square theta, then what do I going to have? Of course, I'll be having cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sine square theta. So this is second. So first identity, and these are the two its modified form, which can be used to solve the example or for direct substitution. We can directly use it. They are useful as formulas. Second, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. They might ask you in MCQs. Okay, it can be asked in MCQs also. So for MCQ also they may ask you directly as what, no, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to a box. That is what it can be. Okay, so it may be that way directly objective type, or something they will give in the form of example where you have to put the value and you have to get the answer. Okay, so that way it can be asked. Again, 1 plus tan square theta is equals to what? That way also it can be asked. So you must have seen in your MCQ that what you had in your exams. Yes, this type of examples were asked here, so they can ask. Now, this is what's this modified formula? So if I take 1 on right hand side, if I take 1 on right hand side, then I will have tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1. Okay, so this is my, this becomes another form. Then third one, not third, I'll just use this also. So then also student, check it now what I'm doing. Instead of tan square theta 1, if I would have taken tan square theta on right hand side, so then it would have become, I'm writing first sec square theta. I have taken tan square theta, so it will become minus tan square theta. That will be equal to 1. Again, it is very important. So sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. For objectives, this is going to be very important to solve the examples. Okay, so this is your second identity. Okay, in the formula form, you can use in this 3 ways. So remember this mostly they use to solve the examples. They will directly give some relation. For example, 9 sec square theta minus 9. How they can ask? No, it will be in the form of this 9 sec square theta minus 9 tan square theta is equal to what? In this way, the question will be asked. Can anyone tell me how it, what will be its answer? Yes, so here answer has come 1. Someone has given 1 upon 9. Okay. Yeah. No, it's not 1, Sushani. Neha, no, not it is 1. 1 upon 9. Anuja, no, it's wrong. No, Prince. It's not 1. 9. Vedant correct. Vedant Raurani correct. Manasvi correct. 9. Correct आहे. Yes. Shubham correct. It is 9. See student, I'll just explain this. Now if I take out 9 common, inside the bracket I am going to have sec square theta minus tan square theta. But what is sec square theta minus tan square theta? That is 1. So sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. 9 into 1. Answer will be 9. So I told you this type of example are likely to be asked in exam where based on your formula. So that type of something can be asked for cos this sin square theta for plus cos square theta. Also it can be asked for 1 plus tan square theta. So you should be ready with this relation. So you should be able to visualize. Yes, this is what something I can use over here and I can get the answer. So again, I'll have a screenshot of this. One more I have to explain. One identity. So I hope this is you have understood. So I'll proceed. The third identity I want to use. I'll write it over here only. Third one, and then I'll erase one. So third, that is last identity. 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. And therefore now it's similar the way we have done. So therefore cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta minus 1. One is taken on right hand side. So this will become the second identity, that second modified form that can be used as a formula. And again, as this way, you can have also cosec square theta minus cot square theta must be equal to 1. So this is your third one. Okay. I'm taking screenshot and I'll erase. I hope you're getting this. Till this, any doubt? Anyone has any query? Not query, that later on we will just unmute and I'll ask if it is. No, okay. Okay. I'll just clear this now. Board. One. Yeah, it's just 2 minutes break. I'm giving 2 minutes, not more than that. 2 minutes. Drink water. You must have be doing that. But 2 minutes break. Meanwhile, I'm clearing the board. So we'll start with the examples because theory part, as far as I was wanted to explain, that's over. Okay. Okay, I'm just using to see your examples which has been given. 1 minute. Yeah, certain MCQs are given to you all. So I'll be taking few of them. It's on mobile, so 1 minute. Or I'll be writing on board, so don't worry. Okay, so 2 minutes break, I said it must have been taken. Now there are certain MCQs I was just talking. There are few very simple. Sine theta. So you can go on telling me the answer. Sine theta into cosec theta is equals to what? 1. Very good. Very good, Anuja. Cosec 45. Cosec 45 degree. What will be? Root 2. Correct. So here, those who may not be able to recollect immediately cosec. So what's the simple way? Yeah, root. Correct. Correct, Tusha. Correct. So those who are unable to recollect quickly, you can try to recollect cos of 45 because cos and sec are reciprocal. So cos of 45 is 1 upon root 2. Simply reciprocate it. So it will become root 2. So in that way, by remembering relation, you can. So it's correct. It is what answer you have said. That is, it is root 2. This is 1. Correct. Third one. Again, these are very simple, student. 1 plus tan square theta. Just now I have done. So what can be the answer? Which are there in MCQs, but they are very easy. Sec square theta. Correct, it is. Correct. Very good. It will be sec square theta. Yes. This is sine 90 minus theta is equals to 1 upon root 2. So you have to find the value of theta. What will be theta? Yes, it will be. It is going to be 45 degree. Correct, it is. So just you can see that. So there are various ways to solve this. For example, someone might directly, so sine 90 minus theta, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos theta is 1 upon root 2. Sine 90 minus theta is cos. So how complementary angles are used? Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos theta equal to 1 upon root 2. So which angle in table theta is 1 upon root 2? Of course, 45 degree. So theta must be 45 degree. So in that way, it is going to be useful. So it is, of course, 45 degree. So theta will be equal to 45 degree. Good. Next one. Yes. Which of the following statement is true? They have given. So I'll just ask. It's actually sine A is equals to cos 90 minus A. Is it true or false? Sine A is equals to cos 90 minus A. It's true to yes, correct. Sine 90 minus the same thing. Sine 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. Very good. That's why I kept a very little time for this. Theory, once it is clear, you will be able to solve many examples. Let's see some challenging or something. 1 second. There are some examples. Cosec 45, that's fine. It's not that too, yes. Yeah. If sine theta, numbers just don't go in that order, randomly number I'm writing and discuss. If sine theta is equals to cos theta, then the question is, what will be the value of theta? How tricky way the examples can be asked? It is 45, correct. So same example it is, but the different way they are asking. That can be asked. So sine theta is equals to cos theta. Again, methods of solving will be different. So for example, you can divide throughout by cos theta. So if you divide throughout by cos theta, student, what will it become? Sine theta upon cos theta. If I divide, just I'm telling you, you don't have to do this. Cos theta upon cos theta. If I do, what's going to happen? Sine theta upon cos theta is tan theta, and cos theta upon cos theta is 1. So tan of which angle is 145 degrees? The answer. But some students might have thought, sir, according to the table, We know that sine of 45 and cos of 45 is only 1. So that can be theta can be 45. So see the ways of thinking. So the student to student way of thinking will vary. So if you know the formulas, there are various ways. You can just solve the examples. So then, yes, we'll do this. And it is this. I have not taken screenshot of this. This you are having, and they are very easy. Next one, this one. 2 sec 2 tan 45 degree. These are actually application based, value based, what you can say. Where if you know the table, then it becomes very easy to solve this exam. 2 times tan of 45 minus 2 sin 30. Find this value. Find the value of this. Yeah, some students already, I think, and or quickly you are giving the answer. So it's good. Tan of 45 is 1. So 2 minus 1. So see here. 1 is the correct answer. Correct. Sorry, name Sinoya. Correct. 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 Very good. I hope everyone is understanding how 1 has come. Just yes. Yes, Anana. Very good. Yeah, calculation only is being shown by Tushar. Good. So tan of 45 is 1. So 2 into 1 will be 2. Sine of 30 is half. So half gets cancelled. 1, 2 into half. So 2 minus 1. Answer will be 1. Very good. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Next is, yes, again, here let's see what you say. 2 sec 10, 2 times sec 10 degree into cos 10 degree is equals to what? What will be the value of this? 2 sec 10 degree into cos 10 degree is equals to what? Oh, so these worksheets are done. Okay, good. Answer is 2. Now still some students, they might be confused for them, because all are there. Those who are answering, but still it's simple. Sec theta into cos theta is 1. That property is used. That property is used because sec theta into cos theta, theta is same 10 degree. So that will be 1, and therefore 2 into this. I did, this is what relation will help you out. And that's why answer will become 2. Sec theta into cos theta is 1 and theta is same. That's why we get this answer. Very good. Very nice. Okay, then let me see if anything else or few more I have. I'll just do that. Yeah. This one I was just talking about. Cot square theta, 9 cot square theta minus 9 cosec square theta is equals to what? Achha, 1 second. I think it is sine hoto ite wo 9 cot square theta minus 9 cosec square theta it is. 9 answer has come. Okay, let's see. Let's see. 9. Okay, any other answer? See student, here is the big chance of making mistake. Any other answer? 0. Okay, no prince. So not 9, not 0. Now same thing. So cot square theta minus, so with minus 9. Anuja, very good. Very good, Anuja. Yes, very good. Minus 9. Minus 9 is the answer. So this is what somewhere tricky. So be aware of this type of example. Don't immediately hassle. Okay, ghai fatapat करायचं, fatapat pass करना है, complete करना है. So in that you don't make this mistake. Our formula is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Not cot square theta minus cosec square theta is 1. So then you say, sir, what? So it's very simple. If you take out, so see here, if I take out minus 9 common, what will happen? This minus, okay, so I want to keep it. So therefore it is, this I have to make it positive. So it will be cosec square theta. So what I have done? Minus 9 into, so I have removed minus 9 common, and this plus it will become minus. So cot square theta. So see the same relation. Now you say, sir, what you have done? We didn't understand, sir, student. So I have taken minus 9. So let us go in a reverse way. if I multiply by minus 9 to this cosec square theta, what do I get? Minus 9 cosec square theta. So the value is not changed. If I multiply by this minus 9 to minus cot square theta, minus minus plus. So plus cot square theta, so its value is not changed. And if I, so it means I have taken minus sign correctly outside. But now I know cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1. And that if I substitute, I will have minus 9. And since this value, we know it is 1, my answer will become minus 9. So this type of examples, you have to be very careful. So therefore, read the questions carefully. You know that many a times you lose your examples, not just you don't know. That's the reason. Sometimes in excitement, you don't read the question, and therefore also many a times you lose your marks. So therefore, yes, yeah, part B, correct, correct. It is. Yeah, minus 9. So I hope this is, you have this example. So yes, this was something different. Now one more I'll take. We have time. There are few more I'll be having. But I didn't take the screenshot of this, but I hope you have understood. In video you can see this. One more example is there that I'll write and you tell me here. 1 minus sine square A upon cos square A is equals to tan A, tan theta you can say, or theta, not A. So you have to find the value of theta. What will be theta? It will be 45. Correct. Very good. It will be 45 degree. Correct, correct, Tanisha. Very good. Anuja, correct. Okay, Ansh, correct. Sushani, correct. Very good. Very good. So some students, those have not yet got, for them just I'll explain. 1 minus, so how these relations are useful. 1 minus sine square A. That is going to be cos square A. So I have replaced this 1 minus sine square by cos square A. Upon this cos square A will remain as it is, and that is equals to tan theta. So if I cancel it out, cos square A by cos square A, I get 1 is equals to tan theta. But we know that tan of which angle is 1? 45 degree. It means that angle must be 45 degrees. So therefore, theta must be 45 degrees. So this is again, I'll say that something which can be asked, this type of example for MCQ. They will be asking a very easy out of that, but one of them tricky if they want to ask, this type of example can be asked where they will test your knowledge. So they are testing your knowledge of identity, they are testing your knowledge of angles, so they are testing your fraction concept. So many things they are involved in that. Okay, so that type of examples, this type of examples may be asked. Now, one more is there, that is what I have taught. So just be well versed with your theory part, then you will not find any difficulty. This is going to be the scoring one. You will be able to score in this full marks. So cot 60 degree into tan 30 degree will be equal to what? Cot 60 into tan 30. 1 upon 4. 1 moment. 1 upon 3. Okay. Let's check. Cot 60 into tan 30. They have said. So cot 60. So cot 60 HR. Okay. It's somehow they have said it is, its answer is going to be 1. So the options. So let's check. Okay. Let's check here. Let's check. So there are various ways to solve this. Either actually you can substitute a value. Some those who are very they are smart students, they will say sir cot 60 is equals to tan 30. So tan 30 into tan 30. See if I am there or I know my table. What I'll do, I know this. Cot okay, what sir has taught? Tan of theta is equals to, so tan of 30 is always equals to cos. Yes, 1 upon 30 is the answer. tan of 30 is equals to cot of 60. So it means cot of 60 and tan 30's value is same. But tan of 30 I know 1 upon root 3. And this tan of 30 also 1 upon root 3. So if I multiply numerator into numerator, it will be 1 into 1, root 3 into root 3, 3. So my answer is 1 upon 3. Very straightforward MCQ questions. Yes, Aryan, correct. Is this clear? So this type of examples which are likely to be where tables you should know. So everywhere you can see that concepts are playing very important role. Your basics are going to play very important role. Now there are few additional ones. So that again I have. याचा पीक मी पाठवेल ती पाठवलेली नाहीये तुम्हाला. I was just thinking थोडेसे मीच असेच काढले. Let's see. So I'll erase this and let's move to the few more. First one, I'll send you this peak also. Tan theta into cos theta will be what? So suppose, I'll give choices over here. 2 is yeah. Tell me the answer. Tan theta into cos theta. See the options. Acha, none of this. Okay. None of this. Third option. Very good. Very good. Kaustubh, very good. Very good. Yash, very good. Parthavi, very good. So that's why Avishkar, correct. So you have to think, though it look like, I know what it is. So sir has taught us tan theta into cos theta is sin theta. Yes. So no answer is sin theta. So some of they have thought of only, अरे it's not answer sir, sin theta कहाँ पे है sir यहाँ पे? Sin theta नहीं है तो none of these ही आएगा ना. अरे but sin theta is 1 upon cosec theta, no? So 1 upon cosec theta is there. So think and just don't have one way of looking. So in this way, a tricky question can be asked where you are likely to go to the none of this. So that can be possible. Okay. So you have to be very careful. Next one. I'll write above only here. Detail board is shining. So therefore, be careful, student, wherever you are writing these answers. You have to think because 1 mark will be important. There are 1,000 students. I'm not stressing you out or scaring you. Okay. It will be. I'll give choices to you because it is sec square A B minus 1 C cot square A B tan square. I'm going to send this PDF as a photo me pathao group or I'll send it. Yes. What will be its answer? Cot square A. Very good. Very good. Option C. Cot square A will be the answer. Yes. Very good. So Shreya, correct. Vedika, correct. Very good. Prajakta, correct it is. So I'll just give an explanation quickly. Those who have not understood, 1 plus cot square theta is sec cosec square theta, and 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, that is sec square A. So if you reciprocal them, so that is cosec square A, it will be 1 upon sin square A into, I am reciprocating this. It will be sec square A is 1 upon cos square A. So 1 upon cos square A will become cos square upon 1. So cos square upon sin square, it is going to be cot square A. So division is become multiplication. So that's why I reciprocated sec square A as cos square upon 1. And that gives you cot square A. Yeah, very good. So the various ways can be there to solve. So this is what one more example we will discuss. So till 9 o'clock. So we will try to cover this all. 5 minutes I'll be talking on just general exam. Yeah. Then, okay. Yes, this type of example also will be, they may ask. So, you have to observe a figure and there will be a question. So PQR suppose will be given 90 degree, theta 8, 6, and question will be asked, observe the figure and find cosec theta. Cos theta. One moment, just going to be in there. Cos theta. Cos theta if it is asked. So what will be the value of cos theta? Cos theta you have to find. Very good. Avishkar, very good. 4 upon 5. Very good. 4 upon 5. So, Tanishka, very good. So now why these students are quick enough and why they are quick? Because they know Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet is going to help you out. Some students they will use. So because when I see cos theta, so the first thought comes in my mind, cos theta is what? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So when I look this theta, adjacent side is 8, but I haven't given hypotenuse. So first task is what of mine? I have to find is hypotenuse, and to find hypotenuse, immediately I'll start thinking of what my Pythagoras theorem. So those who are well aware of Pythagorean triplet, they will start 6, 8. Of course, according to Pythagorean triplet, PR must be 10. The moment you have got orally that Pythagorean, so Pythagorean triplet, how it has used to. So 2, 3, 5, it is a Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so if you know this Pythagorean triplets, then it becomes very easy to, if whenever in Pythagoras, that is chapter also, you'll be revising in that also, and here also trigonometry, it will be very useful. Once you got this 10, then it's very simple to find cos theta. 8 upon 10, that is 4 upon 5. So see, within less than 1 minute you get the answer. But if you actually try to follow the method, then it can be a lengthier one. You will get the answer. There is one question. I'll just go through that. One moment. Yes. Now here correctly. Let's see this. It is very easy, but still I ask because some students are confused. Sin square 50 plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So theta will be how much? Very easy it is. Let's see. But students do make mistake in this. Very good, Avishkar. Very good. So here concept lies. Correct. 50. Correct. Tanishka correct. Good. Jitesh correct. Okay. So this type of you have done. So sin square 50, it will be cos square 50 only because identity says that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So both the angles has to be same. So if it is 50, here has to be 50. So theta will be 50. Remember this. Okay. So this type of again can be asked. Now similarly, here you have yes. Now tell me this. Root 3 cos theta is equals to 3 sin theta. Find theta. So in short, I am writing. You have to find theta. Acha, it is this is the one. Root 3 cos theta is equals to 3 sin theta. It is 3 sin theta. Find value of theta. Okay. So you have said that 1 upon 3 correct. That answer is correct. Only the thing is instead of 45 you have said. So suppose values are given, what it will be? Let's see. I'll give values. Then it will be correct. 1 second. Or instead of theta, if I would have asked instead of theta, yeah, it will do. Because if the question I have asked in a different way, but take there is a mistake. Yeah, it's correct. 1 upon, actually, if you solve this, you will get 1 upon root 3. So, for example, root 3 upon 3, you will get sin upon cos, that will be tan theta, and tan theta we will get root 3. So it will be 1 upon root 3 is equals to tan theta. So theta will be equal to what? 30 degree. This way equation. Someone has said 45, no? Yeah. Student, here root 3 cos theta is equals to 3 sin theta. Question is asked theta. Now check here. Root 3, if I take 3 on left hand side, so it will be root 3 upon 3. And cos theta, if I take on other side, this cos theta, it will be sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. And 3 I have taken on left hand side. So root 3 upon 3 is equals to tan theta. But root 3 and this 3. So you know that root 3 gets cancelled. 1 upon root 3 you will have. Is this clear? So tan theta will be equal to 1 upon root 3. So according to the table, which angle has this theta as 1 upon root 3? So what should be your answer? Thirty degree. Yes, correct. It will be 30 degree. So see how tricky this question was asked. म्हणजे सरळ नाही विचारला, but difficult सुद्धा नाहीये. तुमचं simple mathematics असेल तर. So 30 degree will be the answer of this. So this type of example also can be asked where you will you'll be tested. Another example. It is this. These are just form by me. So yes. If sin alpha is equals to cos theta, then alpha plus beta is equals to, answers are 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, and 180 degree. What will be the answer? Alpha plus beta will be what? 0, 90. Jitesh correct. 90 degree correct it is. Anyone else? Yes, Shubham correct. 90. Shreya correct. Tanishka 0 is C option. Okay, 90 correct. Option C. Correct. So again, those who may not have got this are how 90 it will be. So I just explain for them. It's quickly I'll explain. Sine of alpha will be equal to, if I use 90 minus theta, then sine of 90 minus theta. Sine of theta is always equal to cos. So cos theta will be what? Cos theta is sine 90 minus theta. So if I compare, what do I get? Alpha will be equal to 90 minus theta. So if I take theta on left hand side, I am going to have alpha plus theta is equals to alpha, which beta I have written, sorry, it is theta, student, theta. So alpha plus theta must be equal to 90. So this is again I'll say very straightforward but little twisted example. So aa sakte hai aise example. So based on complementary angle. So you should be prepared for them. There are few more. Just quickly. Yeah, we have 10 minutes as per the planning I am going. So let's see. Now here even if sin theta is 11 upon 61. What will be sec theta? Yes, 60 upon 61. Correct. 60 upon 61. It will be right. The reason is very simple. Pythagorean triplet is going to play your role. You don't have to actually solve. So if you look at this triangle, immediately you come to know if I assume this is theta, so sin theta opposite side, it is going to be 11. My hypotenuse is 61. So my adjacent side is 60. And I quickly get my answer 11 upon 60. At this it will, 60 upon 61. immediately we get. So this way Pythagorean triplets also you just remember, so it will be easy to remember this type of examples. You can easily solve, rather I say, not remember. Yeah. Now I'm just towards the end of the section. Cosec theta into root 1 minus cos square theta is equal to what? Very good. Tushar, quickly you have given answer. Very good. It will be 1. Good. Good, Suruchi. 1. It will be 1. Very good. Very good, Shubhra. It's 1. So yes, correct. Cosec theta. I'll explain for others. Root 1 minus cos square theta. It will be square root of sin square theta. But this is going to be cosec theta. Sin square theta. It is going to be sin theta. So cosec theta into sin theta, we know it is 1. So 1 will be the answer. Okay. So these examples what I have discussed now, and there are few MCQs already having, so I'll be sending on our group, that CET group is being formed, and almost it is 4-5 minutes are left. So as I said, I'll be just discussing on last part, that is how to appear. So student, very important thing is, that is what I'm telling. First of all, if we broadly see, I have said 120 marks if you are top 120 minutes and 100 questions. So I will recommend, this is what my recommendation. This is my recommendation. Okay, so what's its recommendation is, out of one moment. So one out of 120 minutes, I said 100 questions, and time you are having is 120 minutes. I will recommend that this 75 questions other than mathematics, 75 questions other than mathematics, even if you try to solve it in 75 minutes, remaining minutes what that is you are going to have, so 75. So just if we do this calculation, so I think it comes 35 minutes, 45 minutes. So out of that 45 minutes, math 25 questions if you try to attend in 40 minutes, so that is 1.5 minutes per question. Even if you calculate, it will come somewhere around 40 minutes. So it comes out to be 115 minutes. You can see this is approximate calculation. I know that you can't follow exactly that, but still if that planning if you go, then it will be easy, because science, social studies and English, they will be purely objective. So one word you have to find it out. But in maths, you will be having calculation. So to do that calculation, you will need time, right? So for that, it will be recommended that don't spend much time on this other subject, that is one minute ka, just finish it off and just move ahead. But this math, you need to have at least 40 minutes, 1.5 minutes per example. If you do, then it will be better. So if you go according to the plan, you will find that you are able to complete your paper in time, and with that 5 minutes you will be having extra to check your paper or if anything is left out. So this is all together of 2 hours you can have. Okay. Now one mistake, student, that can happen. That is what I feel, that one more lecture I am going to have that on coordinate geometry, but still I feel that I should not keep that from mind. We have a habit, we generally teachers also tell you कि जे येता है ते करा, जो आपको आ रहा है करो और आगे जाओ. Yes, that's true. But in this case, I want you to be very much alert, because here you will be having no. So for example, question 1, I will be having this 4 circles and I will be scribbling one of the answers. For example, first one I come to know that my first answer is 1, so I scribbled that. Second one I don't know. So if I keep it as it is, I left it. I thought, okay, बाद में करता हूँ. I'll just see. अभी याद नहीं आ रहा है. And then I started with third. So there is a chance, there is a risk of what happens. You are in a flow. तुम्ही flow मध्ये असता. आप flow में रहते हो, वो solve करते रहते हो. And by mistake, I'm telling you, if you You have left this two since you don't know. So if third question's mark answer, if you mark here, suppose second है third का, आपने ऊपर mark कर दिया, then what will happen? वो sequence follow नीचे होगा. So what it is going to happen? आपके आंसर्स चेंज हो सकते हैं क्योंकि आपने रोल दैट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 you have left negative marking. So far they have not told, so there is no negative marking as such. I don't think that there will be, and if it is at all, no, we will come to know. So negative markings won't be there, but still this point what I'm telling is very risky, student. That is, if you are living, be careful and see question 1 के सामने ही question 1 के mark am I circling that or scribbling that circle. Okay, just take care of that. Otherwise, whole sequence of the answers will change. Although your answers are correct, that question is changed, answer is changed. So that's why you might lose marks. So this is very important. I request you all students, be careful about this. Yes, question 2, option 2. Yes, I have marked 2. Question 3, option 3. Have I marked the same that you check? Otherwise, sequence wrong nahi hona chahiye. So these are the things I wanted to tell. And I don't know, unmute question there was. Kushi answer it was given. Okay, student, I didn't give a chance, but still to ask you a question. But I hope whatever I have taught, you have understood. Recording, of course, you will be you are going to get. So thank you very much. Take care of yourself. All the best to you all. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. And bye bye. And of course, we'll be meeting. Yeah, bye. Of course, we'll be meeting for coordinate geometry one more. So let's see when it will be planned out. Okay. So revise the formulas.